Right. Hey guys, it's Cardo. Now, some of you have been wondering, where have I been? Why haven't I been uploading videos? What's going on? And there's a good reason for that, and I do have some other updates to inform you guys regarding my videos, the name of my business, and overall what's been happening lately. So we're going to be tackling on the first subject, and the first one is, why haven't I been uploading any videos recently? Well, to put it very simply, in case some of you guys haven't known, unfortunately I did test positive for COVID-19, and yeah, like I couldn't really do much. I had to quarantine myself in my room here, and not close my business and just not do any videos because I do live here with my family, and I can't be going out there constantly recording my videos, going through the hallways, and all that sort of stuff. So I wanted to separate myself for the safety of my family and for the safety of my clients. So yeah, I had to close my business, not do videos, and for that reason is why I haven't been active on YouTube lately. It is a tough one because you have to prepare yourself psychologically to be in a room quarantined for a long time. For me, it was 2 weeks until my doctor told me that I tested negative. So for those 2 weeks, I was in here preparing some skits for YouTube, play some games, maybe watch a show, but it's tough really because you can't just suddenly, oh, I'm gonna be in my room for 2 weeks. Like it's psychologically, I wouldn't say damaging, but kind of shifts your life a lot because you need to prepare yourself to be in here for such a long time. And from a business point of view, it's risky because if you are the one providing the financial support for your family, the bills, the insurance for your cars, it's a risky one because you have to stop working to protect yourself, but it can also be financially suicidal. So that's the crazy part. And yes, you can apply for loans and government support, but that's a different subject for a lot of people, unfortunately. So yeah, that's what's been happening so far as to why I haven't been uploading any videos. Now for the second subject is, when are those videos coming soon? Well, I do have some videos already planned out, ready to go. I just need to get to recording them. I know in my last video, on a detailing video, I did promise you guys an APC foam pre-rinse tutorial. Don't worry, I still promised you that, and I will have that ready when I already have the skit and the vehicles ready. But first I want to get another video out of the way first. I won't spoil anything yet, so don't worry, that video is coming pretty soon. I will just need to prepare myself because the weather hasn't been favoring us recently. It's been raining quite a lot, which would affect the way I record things, showcase, and yeah, just overall work. So yeah, but just don't worry, those videos are coming soon, so stay tuned for that. The next subject is a brand name change. Yes, you heard that right. I am changing the name of my business. I'm currently known as Cardo's Auto Detailing. And just to give you a summarization as to why I decided to do that, well, in the time that I was quarantined here, I thought about my future a little bit more, my career. People are going to recognize me for a name that I chose. And I chose Cardo's Auto Detailing before YouTube. It was my business first. So I thought, okay, Cardo's Auto Detailing. I kind of like the way it sounded. But then I started YouTube and realized that a lot of people, no disrespects, there's nothing wrong with having auto detailing your name, but the more I Google and look up names, the more I realize that everyone has the same name. Blank detailing, blank auto detailing, blank mobile auto detailing, blank car wash and mobile auto detail. Like everyone has almost the same name. And again, I repeat, there is nothing wrong with having that name. It's just for myself, because I want to have a YouTube channel where people can recognize me from just the name alone. I needed a catchy name. So officially, at the time of recording this video, I probably already made some adjustments to my business and my social media platforms. I will be currently known as Cardo's Car Dose. Now I remember that was my slogan for my auto detailing brand name. Get the car dose at Cardo's. That was my slogan at the time. So I thought, well, wait a minute. Why not make that as your name? Because I do have a lot of ideas, a lot of philosophy and methods that I would like to share on my platform, which is just the dose of what I love to do. It's just the detailing cultural and the ideas that go into that sort of stuff. So I thought, okay, why not call myself Cardos Cardos? It just has a nice ring to it because it was my slogan before. So yeah, it will be applied to my YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Google, my business brand account, and all that sort of stuff. But everything will remain the same. My videos, my services, pricing. Well, pricing I will have to change that, but everything else remains the same. It's just the brand name that I'm changing. I know some people will think, yeah, good job, that sounds better, and then other people will think, no, I like the older one better. That's okay. We all agree on things. We disagree on stuff, but that's okay. That's what a detailing community is. We never agree on the same thing. So yeah, that is my new brand name for the YouTube channel and all my other platforms. So yeah, that marks everything. Why I have been gone for a while. New videos coming soon, and the brand name change. So hopefully this summarizes everything that that I've been going through, the reason why I was out for some time. Hopefully that answers all the questions. And if you're a detailer, I wish you guys just so much safety and good health, because this virus really is damaging if you are a solo business owner or a solo YouTube channel. It is quite damaging because you're restricted to a lot of things and you can't really work with it because it just limits you on what you're capable of doing. And if you're doing it for financial reasons and you have to support your family, that's even more risky. So I wish you guys good health and luck in all of your detailing business actions and all that stuff. So please stay safe out there, guys. It is a real thing and it is not fun to deal with. So yeah, guys, hopefully you guys are staying safe. Take care. Check out my other platforms for more information if you want to see the behind the scenes of what I've been going through and other information. So thank you guys for watching. Stay safe. Have a good time.